Hi, good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Welcome to Nirbhaya High School, Padmanagar Phase 2, Chintal. Digital Learning Classes to understand the subject easily. I am your English teacher, Ashtalakshmi ma'am. And how are you all? I hope everyone are fine. Yes, yesterday we have done our grammar part. What we have done, children? Adverb of. Yes, adverb, kinds of adverbs. What is adverb, children? Adverb means what? First of all, adverb tells how the verb is. How, when, where the action has done. Okay, children? The action has done. Here, the adverb and adjectives are linked. The adjectives and adverbs are linked. Understood, children? We have learned different kinds of adverbs here. Adverb of manner, adverb of degree, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of frequency. Here, adverb of manner answers the question how. And adverb of place, it tells the position. Yes, adverb of degree. What is adverb of degree? It tells the intensity. Means the question how much or what extent. It answers the question how much. And adverb of frequency. What is the adverb of frequency, children? Yes, adverb of time and frequency. Time tells when an action has done, means how long. Adverb of time tells how much long, how long it is, and time, what time it is. Okay, children. And adverb of frequency tells about the, yes, how often we will use the word. Something occurs or somebody. Means they are routine, repeated actively. Means like never, always. Okay. And usually, generally, normally, these are all. Okay, children. And I said to complete you the exercises. Now we will check the answers of the exercise. That exercises I will make you to answer that. You check it. You wrote which is correct or wrong. Okay, children. And today's topic is about formal writing. Today's session is about formal writing. In formal writing, here you are writing the formal letter. What it is, children? Formal letter. Here I have explained you already about informal and formal letter. What is informal letter? We are writing to our closest, who are close. Yes, for relatives, for friends, parents, like this we are writing, that is informal. And now formal letter means what? We are writing to a person who is in the position, who is in some authority. He is some authority. Okay, children, now see. First, what is this? See the different parts of the formal letter. See the different parts of the formal letter, children. First, sender's address. Okay, this is your letter. How you should write up this? First, sender's address, date, receiver's address. Okay, children. And next, coming to the subject. You should write the subject. Why it is important. Why you are writing this letter. That all you should write, children. Here first, senders, date, receivers, subject. Subject means you should give a line. With a line you should explain that why you are writing a letter. Request to write the exam missed due to illness. Like this they are given now, like this. And next coming to the greeting. Next coming to greeting. Greeting or salutation means respected ma'am. Like this you should write. Okay. And next coming to the introduction, body part, conclusion, signature. This is the normal same. Introduction, body part, conclusion, and here what it is? Signature and your name. Okay, children. This is about a formal letter. This is your formal letter. In formal letter, we will not write the subject, yes. In the formal letter, we should write like this. The greeting will be respected. The greeting will be respected, you should write. And at the last, it's a signature will be how you write yours faithfully or yours sincerely. Like this, you should write at the end. Understood, children? Sender's address, date, receiver's address, subject, greeting, salutation, introduction, body, conclusion, and last signature. Understood, children? Now here they have given a partially filled letter. See here, write a letter requesting permission from your school principal for a class trip to watch a film in coming week. The film will be helpful for you to understand how India gained independence. Understood, children? Very easy. They have filled partially. We should complete it. Okay, children? Now we are going to do it. Everyone open your text, workbooks and keep it. I will make you to write. And you check it the exercises of grammar part also. Today what we have done? We have done our formal writing. Formal writing. What is our formal writing, children? A formal letter. Formal letter. In the formal letter, what you should write first? Sender's address, date, receiver's address, subject, greeting, introduction, body part, conclusion, and the last signature. And our creative writing is what? Story writing. What it is, children? Story writing. Understood, children? See here, children, vocabulary part 2.1. Color the stars next to the correct word. Minute. I need a minute to go through the papers. A period of time. She was wearing a colorful tie around her neck. An item of clothing. Park your car here. Bring to a stop to a side. This one. Yes? Next one. See. The hungry seal ate a bucket of fish. To join two things together, or a sea animal, see B. And next we have our annual exams in March. The name of the month. He saw his friends at school. A past tense form of a see. Understood, children? Now 2.2. See here 2.2. First is 4B. Bat. 3A. 1D. 5C. 2F. 6E. See here, children, 3.1. Read the following passage and underline the adverbs. It was cold and wintry night and the wind blew widely. Underline the adverb. A ship was sailing westwards. Westwards also underline. On the sea, there was a storm and the passengers on the deck were completely soaked in the heavy rain. Completely. Underline it. To rain into their cabins and started praying for the storm to calm down. They were scared and they cried bitterly. Bitterly, underline it. In the morning, the floor of the ship developed cracks and water started entering it. The passengers nearly drowned, but they were saved quickly before the ship sank. See, widely, westward, completely, bitterly, quickly, nearly. These are all adverbs, children. Now we are going to write the 2.2, 3.2, children. See 3.2. Find 6 adverbs of time in the word search. Use each adverb of time of form a meaningful sentence. One is done. See here, children. Month, tomorrow, now, later, tonight, soon. You should find it in this. Yes? And you can write here like this. See here, children. I will stay in Leh for a month. School reopens tomorrow. I am writing my homework now. My friend is coming to my house. I will eat dinner tonight. Understood, children? Like this, you can form a sentence. Your own sentence you can write. See here, children. 3.3. Complete the sentence with appropriate adverbs of frequency. Use the stars as int. One is done. Alia never tell lies. Alia never tell lies. Here the stars are empty. By seeing the stars, you can complete it. I brush my teeth before going to bed. Here how many stars are there? Full stars. So always. I always brush my teeth before going to bed. In the before page, you are having the stars. By that stars only you should answer this. We eat Chinese food. We sometimes. What it is, children? Sometimes. My father usually cooks dinner on Friday. Stars. By seeing the stars, you should answer. We sometimes eat Chinese food. My father usually cooks dinner on Fridays. They seldom meet Asif as he works abroad. Only one is there. That is near the seldom. They seldom meet Asif as he works abroad. I noticed you visiting the library often this week. I noticed you visiting the library often this week. Understood, children? Now 3.4. Fill in the blanks with the correct adverb of manner, degree, place, time, frequency. Given below. See here. Joyful, down, quiet, while, very, seldom. See here. Hansel and Gretel were roaming around in the forest. They were very hungry. After some time, they came across a house in the forest. The house was made of chocolate. They seldom ate chocolate. So they jumped joyfully. When they saw the chocolate house, they spent a while eating the chocolates. Then they lay down on the ground and fell asleep as they were quite tired. Understood, children? Now about the formal writing we are going to write. What is the formal writing, children? See, write a letter requesting permission from your school principal for a class trip to watch a film in the coming week. The film will be helpful for you to understand how India gained independence. Understood, children? So your children exercise 4. Write a letter requesting permission from your school principal for a class trip to watch a film in the coming week. The film will be helpful for you to understand how India gained independence. Yes, children. Now we are going to write. See here. Address Padmanagar Phase 2, Chintal, Hyderabad, Telangana. Your address, you write it out. And write here 7 December 2020. The principal. When you are writing a letter, that date you write it. Enough. Okay. Principal, Nirbhaya High School, Padmanagar Phase 2, Chintal. Subject, requesting permission to watch a film on India's freedom struggle. To watch a film on India's freedom struggle. Respected sir. Here what you should write? Here you should write respected sir or madam. I am K. Lohia. Here you should write your name. A student of class 5. A student of class 5. See here. Here. I am K. Lohia, a student of class 5 in your school. This week, a film called The Story of Our Freedom. The Story of Our Freedom. Related to the freedom struggle of India. Related to the freedom struggle of India has released. I am writing on behalf of the students of our class who would like to watch this film. This film is important because it tells the history of how India gained independence. It will also show us how the freedom fighters fought in different ways to help India gain independence. We would request permission to watch the film. The 20th of December 2020, day and time. See here children, once again we are going from first onwards and we will complete it. Okay children, see here. Address, date, the principal, near Nirbhaya High School, Padmanagar Phase 2, Chintal. Subject, requesting permission to watch a film on India's freedom struggle. Respected sir or madam, I am K. Lohia. You write your name here. A student of class 5 in your school. This week, a film called The Story of Our Freedom related to the freedom struggle of India has released. I am writing on behalf of the students of our class who would like to watch this film. This film is important because it tells the history of how India gained independence. It will also show us how the freedom fighters fought in different ways to help India gain independence. We would request permission to watch the film on the 20th December of 2020. Okay, children? At 9 p.m. in Cine Planet, we are also going to work on a project based on the film. Our class teacher Mrs. Aslakshmi, and you can write your any teacher name here children. You can write your any teacher name children here. And a few of our parents will help us book the ticket and travel to the theatre. We assure you that we will be on our best behavior and return to school as soon as we finish watching the film. We request you to kindly grant us permission for the same. Yours sincerely, your name you should write. Understood children? Once again, after the date we are continuing here. At 9 p.m. time in Cine Planet. We are also going to work on a project based on the film. Our class teacher Mrs. Astalakshmi, or you can write your teacher's name, any teacher name, and a few of our parents will help us book the ticket, book the tickets and travel to the theatre. We assure you that we will be on our best behavior and return to school as soon as we finish watching the film. We request you to kindly grant us, grant us permission for the same. Yours sincerely, Lohia. By this we have completed our exercise 4 children, formal writing. Everyone can see the right? Yes, no? Yes. Understood children? By this we have completed our formal writing. Complete it children. Everyone complete it without any mistakes. Write it out. Okay. Everyone will do it. I hope everyone will write it children.